In this video, you will see how to load the filament into the extruder. First, click on the filament section in the main menu. Next, click on left extruder or right extruder, depending on which one you would like to load the filament into. Next, click on Load. Select the material from the list that you would like to load into the extruder and click OK. Put the spool with material into the material station on the correct side that you would like to load material. Cut the end of the filament at a 45-degree angle. Put the end of the filament into the AFLS until you feel that the gears will start to move it inside. The filament will be loaded and heated up to the exact material temperature. The extruder will flow some material to the garbage collector and clean the nozzle with nozzle waste remover to allow the print to start with the best material quality. The success message will appear on the screen. Click OK and you are ready to 3D print.